The tubing is placed in accordance to the load requirements of the conditioned space. Tubing is 3/8 inch, 300-foot oxygen barrier type tubing. Typical cooling requirements call for tubing to be placed at 4 inches on center. Heating requires less on-center spacing. In the event you are a heating-only system, 8 inches on center would be fairly typical. Having 4 inches on center would lower the supply, heating, water, temperature, and save on fossil fuel costs. Simply pushing in on the tubing as you pass over the clip is all that is required to hold it firmly in place. Each 4-foot by 4-foot panel contains approximately 50 lineal feet of tubing at 4 inches on center. The circuit loop layouts may be differing patterns selected by load requirements, surface space available, and the desired manifold placement. Smaller spaces can be served with reverse header and standard universal panel patterns. Larger areas will require multi-directional panels and standard universal panels. As you will see, even counterflow type layouts for tubing can be achieved using all multi-directional panels.
watching.
Though a bit challenging to see in this picture, the recommended embedding material has 2 fiber filaments added for structural strength and for non-shrink properties. The non-shrink filaments allow for single pass coverage to completely embed the tubing. Additional key ingredients are recommended for adhesion and workability properties. Properly mixed and applied transfer mediums allow you to place both the embedding channel material and finished surface coats all in one day depending upon the job site size and ambient conditions. A key system design feature is how the tubing is suspended in either channel above the base and between the channel walls. This allows for a 360-degree embedding of the mass transfer medium, be it stucco, plaster, drywall, earthen plaster, or a material of similar properties. The entire channel surface becomes an energy transfer medium with a flywheel effect from the applied mass material. Finish coats are driven by aesthetics, the mass desired, and local codes. These too can have non-shrink fibers in the mix. Finished surfaces are as varied as your imagination and skill levels allow. Integral coloring of finished mix can be done abating painting cost. Print embossed patterns can be applied as well. Exterior surface finishes have additional considerations, breathability of the material or waterproofing qualities desired. This slide shows the process of the Clips in place, the serpentine pattern of the tubing partially embedded in channels, and the surface material applied.